I wish for me sounds more cover beam ba Emadek TV so yeah. If I just send the be a music canon ne and your first time I patron was subscribe am. I know I share now I like it. What the one that said should be so Omra Meka Emadek be some na how do bad ya update be a course be an Sabeka. Yes, update be a never course 10 times in yes in Sabeka. I wish for some more course yes, some more so course Ghana. Issues so yes, a hand one so na be ma waso ante. Ansem na rekoso.
So he was saying
a witness must testify in truth. Don't lie, even under oath.
Or lie, I don't have a page answer.
So why you say something that is factually wrong, it's a lie. Because as someone and when the president came to disprove it, you didn't come back to to counter him on any other figure. Which means you're coming in correct. What not to China? Their own pink sheets and one say no bombs and man say one more pink one give me the pink sheet court. It was one of the worst documents that you can ever find. At some point they have to withdraw about 700 or more pink sheets from the court because they are not going to rely on it again. Pink sheets won't come to point and announce me for KPMG back. Trial system I'm on board to see the number of pink sheets I work and which of them are even valid for the court to even rely on. They were citing 11,000 through Bawumia. Yet when KPMG came to do their auditing, they started a little above 8,000 and they're valid. Also, we a good witness and I was sacrificing political career. Wait, when is sacrifice now here? The same person again in the witness box was say MPP. No, I said there were 22 unknown police stations in this country. The side police stations were unknown to the MPP and everything. So far that the electoral system was concerned. I'm a man pink sheet back. Me am saying that you got a man pink sheet back. Said this pink sheet is not there. And I said, "But a dear was so terrible. A agency there was so. Yeah, Papa now but terrible agency there. What pink sheet in the so? Or boy, and you said, a dinner boy, a big woman where your MPP me was an was signing was an. Then to put me the agent to control police woman who could vote to Brell. And was I who could grab a track or to catch the court. Said it was unknown to you. Do you understand the word unknown? Do you understand the word unknown? And when such a bad witness is saying, "I will not sacrifice in the political career," you're not even ashamed to even say this. When you're going to mess up your own case, go and read the judgment on that particular matter. 22 unknown police stations. The entire 7 judges ruled against you. The entire 7 because they can't be anything correct. And when upon having flop and mess up like this, we now go and say, "Oh, sacrifice political career." Continue witness, but go into. Go to Pona, where no man gentles me so much why. This were your stories. If something is unknown to you, you can't even send anybody there, or you don't even know where the thing is. I didn't even know to when you see the agent now. And don't take note. Every agent be our tenant police station be a Upianica. To the best of my knowledge, Yama can buy 100 cities for that day now. It's about the sign now to the agent, the Cotrama, who sent 100 cities. No, and more deep preach it signing the bill. Now somebody in our court, back at the court to say, and you're unknown to you. This is the witness we are talking about. So sacrificing political career only. Having done all this, you think you have done well, and that all could be tell your delegates man how you have helped Akufo Addo to mess up this country. How you and Akufo Addo have collaborated to bring this country down. You say you don't need to borrow. What can I say? I did again here to fix our roads. And no one say you don't mount toll booths across all our roads. You better enough money to fix all our roads. That was your words, Dr. Bawumia. And under your leadership, what trust me, the toll booths are collapsing. They are not working. None of them is working. So where is that money? What I say? What do you see in China? Yeah, maybe you know. To add up on, just to join it with the President Mahama's statement, having seen all this mess that these two gentlemen has led this country into, the only option is not to repeat Bawumia. Rather to bring a face that can fix and fix it better. Because one, the Bawumia is part of the best. And you see, I believe one from the way in Yadia. Wouldn't in fact, I wouldn't think as I could for the free when I had about many business because my can't never says he will be the worst version of Akufo Addo. Bawumia. He will be the worst version of Akufo Addo if you have experienced that what Akufo Addo has done to us today. Bawumia can never in his life be a better option of Akufo Addo, rather a worse version.
I was for Hana Medium see, yeah, Hana Medium see. If I show so that they be American, then your first time I will show you Emadek TV. I want subscribe on my wife. I want like it. Yes, now I share. Now what the home come out to be so. American home. No, but update be an Sabeka. Yes, never be a course to be an Sabeka. Yeah, Sabeka will be a. If I show as me by a comment in the same, then I was working from home. Yes, then I will come from story where made by you. As a map person can find, but no leave you comment section or at the amay. Also, why didn't you know ever ma Emadek at Twum because you're no money in a Juman. They are the BBN. I'm only leave comments now. My say I sent you. Now they say I can't change me family. Yes, I can't change. Yeah, I had a medimusi because you say over subscriber. Now I share. Yes, now I like it. I wasn't sure the one dance here too. Say, oh, my making Emadek a bishop. Macro.